His backpack is all that he knows. Shot down by strangers whose glances can cripple the heart and devour the soul. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Out of his mind, the weight pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. Middays illusions are pushing this out of his head, maybe out of his mind. Out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a word, crawls like a word from a bird.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. It's my fault. Sorry, Daddy. But I don't want this. I can't stand out of this beyond goodbye. I haven't even said thank you yet. It was so much fun getting to be with you, but I haven't. Daddy, please open your eyes. I won't get mad at you for messing up your office anymore. And I won't eat your strawberry sundaes without asking either. Please.
Can't believe it grows. It's so it goes. He crawls like a word. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word. His mind, the way it pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a word from a bird. He's holding his breath after death. Terrified to save his life he crawls like a word, crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word from a bird.
And jackpot.